the Epaulette's mate. It's very simple. The king is flanked by two rooks or two different pieces which typically cannot block a straight check. And all you need to do is use the queen to give a check. As simple as that. Alright, so the first one is quite simple. Take the queen, give a check, straightforward. Usually these two squares is where it can escape to, both being controlled by the queen, so no problem. And typically the king would want to escape on the other two sides, which are both blocked by the rook. Now that piece cannot be the bishop or the knight, because then if it were a bishop it could probably block it this way, and if it were a knight it would just kill the queen. So you need two pieces blocking it, which cannot prevent a straight check, and then you have the queen giving the check, delivering the check. Okay, if you haven't done it, go to Lead Chess and try solving 2 and 3 and try to get it right. If not, you can get back and see the solution here. Now this is tricky. You have the rooks flanking. That's one part of the required pattern for you to solve it using Epaulette. But you need a check with the queen. Now the black queen can never come here. It's impossible right now. But if you observe the board long enough, you realize that these two pieces are playing a very important role of controlling those two. So all you need is a straightforward check. So this check should work, the only problem being the pawn would kill it. And this check would work, only the bishop would kill it. But while you analyze it this way and break it down step by step, there's a small realization, which is, hey, if I do this check, the bishop moves away and makes way for the queen to give the Epaulette's check. And that's how you checkmate. Epaulette checkmate number 3. So it need not only be in one direction, the pattern also works when it's 90 degrees, which means you can give a check from both of these sides and it will still be considered an Epaulette check. The only problem here is, since the king is in the center of the board, he will have an escape square if you were to go here. However, if you were to go here, his escape square is blocked and controlled by the rook. So that's your answer for the Epaulette's mate. Hope you got it. Alright, I'll see you in the next checkmate.